Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Beacons AI, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a discount code or a coupon to your Beacons AI product? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to get a coupon code to one of your Beacons AI products anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you're going to offer a coupon code to certain audiences. That way you can see where the order came from, and then also you can offer a special discount to a certain audience. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Beacons AI dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Beacons account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create a coupon code, it's going to be handled in the product section. So first off, here on the left side, you're going to click on digital products. Once you do that, you're going to see all the products you're offering in Beacons AI. So go ahead and choose the product that you want to make a coupon for. So for example, this one right here, the tacos. Once you do that, you're going to see this pop up here on the right. And to create a coupon code for this product, click on edit product details. All right, once you click there, you're going to see these four options at the top. Make sure you've clicked on product page. Once you've clicked on product page, off to the right, you're going to click on price. Once you've clicked on price, you're going to scroll down until you see this section here called discount code. Click on the plus icon. Okay, so here is where you can set up the discount code. Coupon codes for Beacons AI are set up in a percentage. So first you want to give it a name to the coupon. So for example, you are watching from YouTube. I might use the coupon code YouTube, and that way I know anybody who watches my video on YouTube, they're going to get this discount code. Same thing, maybe I'll change the discount code to Twitter for anyone I'm sharing with on Twitter. And next you want to go ahead and add a discount code. Let's say 50% if they use discount code Twitter, and then save. Okay, now you can see the discount code right here, and you can add a second one right here. Just click on the plus icon and same thing. So let's do YouTube, but everybody from YouTube gets 75% discount and save. Okay, so now you can see we've added discount code Twitter and YouTube, and you want to click on next here on the top right. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes back into my products. So now anybody who goes to buy this product, if they use Twitter or YouTube as the discount code, they'll get that relevant discount. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a discount or a coupon code to one of your products in Beacons AI, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.